Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So I have came up with a thought that why not to, as we are approaching AFCAT 2 2020, so why not to launch a revision set for maths, and that was the main intentions for this video. By thumbnail you might have guessed which topic I am going to discuss, maths ka quadratic equation. Alright, so before going further, please do watch the video fully, and if you are stuck to my channel, stuck to only one channel, that is mine, don't go here and there, because too many cooks in the kitchen spoils the food. Alright, and I have made another videos also which will be very helpful for you, card में दे दूंगा और description में भी दे दूंगा, तो do watch that and we'll start without wasting any time. तो सबसे पहले quadratic equation, यार मैं थोड़ा सा जानकारी दे दूंगा कि quadratic equation क्या होता है, and then I'll try to jump over the questions of quadratic equation which were in the last year question papers. Alright, which will be very good for you. So let us see what is quadratic equation क्या होता है, which is the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Alright, where a, b and c are constants and a should never be equal to 0, and this is the degree. 2 is the highest degree which is called as degree. ठीक है, other than 2 you cannot have anything. If it is 3, it is not a quadratic equation. Alright, and then we go for methods to solve quadratic equation. तो सबसे पहला factorization method which I do not recommend for you guys. Second is middle term splitting which I highly recommend you to solve. And third is quadratic formula. ठीक है, quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. ठीक है, these two I highly recommend. First priority is this and then second priority is this. Don't go for this, it will take a lot of time. And then some points to remember, that is इसमें क्या है, quadratic formula में something called as discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Alright, so if discriminant is greater than 0, the roots will be real and distinct. ठीक है, discriminant is equal to 0, the roots will be equal, and discriminant is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. ठीक है, imaginary, you know it. All this thing which I am saying at this moment, you know it. ठीक है, and something else, that is sum of product and sum of roots. Sum of roots is minus b by a. Remember मैंने ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 कहा था. This is the form of quadratic equation. And product of roots is c by a. Alright, and quadratic equation in terms of roots, let alpha and beta be roots. ठीक है, तो ये अल्फा प्लस बीटा हो जाएगा और ये अल्फा बीटा हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ रूट्स क्या हो जाएगा, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इस पे से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करूंगा मैं. ठीक है, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा इंटू एक्स प्लस अल्फा बीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, you need to remember this. Alright, so let us jump for the questions which were asked in the previous year question paper. So this is the question which was AFCAT 1 2018 का क्वेश्चन था शायद से. ठीक है, इसका क्वेश्चन था. So what I want to do is pause the video and start solving the question and note down the timing, how much time do you require to solve this question. So I'll solve this question like solution. सबसे पहले the sum of two numbers, let the sum number be x and y is 24 and their product is 143. Now you may approach by squaring and all those formula, but I am going to do a shortcut method called as, we know is x plus y का whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. तो we need to find this, the sum of their square is, हमको ये निकालना है, x square plus y square निकालना है. ठीक है, तो x plus y square क्या हो जाएगा, x plus y का whole square minus 2xy is equals to x square plus y square. Put all the values here. तो क्या हो जाएगा, x plus y 24 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 143, तो 24 का होल स्क्वायर 576 माइनस, तो ये हो जाएगा अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 092. तो आंसर इज 290. Note down the timing if you want to. Alright, we'll go for next. So this is the next question, which is also an AFCAT question. ठीक है, AFCAT question. So the question, pause the video, try to solve the question. If you are getting an answer for this, then your preparation is very good. All right. If you are not getting, I am here. Then wife here. ठीक है. So let us see how to solve this question. If the sum of the roots of the equation 5x square plus p plus q plus r into x plus pqr is 0, then what is the value of this? ठीक है. हम लोग को अभी देखो क्या दिया है, सम ऑफ रूट्स, तो मतलब अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू 0, तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा क्या होता है माइनस बी बाई ए, तो बी क्या है अपना यहाँ पर माइनस पी प्लस क्यू प्लस आर बाय ए क्या है अपना 5 इज इक्वल टू 0, तो पी प्लस क्यू प्लस आर इज इक्वल टू 0, ये अपना आया. एंड वी नो बाय एल्जेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस सी क्यूब इज ओनली इफ a प्लस बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 0. वी नो दैट. अगर आप नहीं जानते तो फॉर्मुलेस फर्स्ट रिवाइज इट. ऑलराइट. एंड देन हियर इज द सेम सिनारियो. सो a क्यूब मतलब यहाँ पर p क्यूब प्लस q क्यूब प्लस r क्यूब इज इक्वल टू क्या आ जाएगा 3pqr. Note down the timing if you want to. Alright, because timing plays an important role in these kind of scenarios. So these are the two questions which I wanted to show you, that how the questions are framed in AFCAT. These are very simple, like hardly 1 minute लगा है मुझे solve करने को. Alright, I knew this question beforehand, but similar kind of questions is being taught. So I hope that the video is very helpful for you, and I'm also, most important, I'm also providing you some practice sets in the description along with military aptitude questions. उसमें कुछ 40-50 क्वेश्चंस होंगे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. ठीक है, ड्राइव का लिंक दे दूंगा या फिर डीएम कर देना मेरे को, मैं डेफिनेटली प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा. ऑलराइट, सॉल्व दिस, stick to only one guy with whom you are trying to prepare. All right, don't go for everyone and stuck yourself. All right, so I'll meet you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. All the best.